Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about the difference between whole and all. They both mean 100%. What's the difference? The difference is whole is one singular complete thing, one entire thing. So whole is a synonym of entire. And all is about quantity. How much, how many. So remember, whole is one complete thing. We use it with specific the whole building. Was the whole building destroyed?
Yes, the whole building was destroyed.
Was the whole building destroyed? Very good. So the whole building is specific. If it's one in general, we say a whole is one, a whole chicken, one entire chicken. Can you eat a whole chicken?
No, I can't eat a whole chicken.
Can you eat a whole chicken? Very good. All is about quantity. How much, how many. We use it in plural, countable and uncountable. Example, one person, two people, three people. In general, we say all people. It's very general. All people have feelings. Do all people have feelings?
Yes, all people have feelings.
Do all people have feelings? Very good. Another example, all trees. All trees. Do all trees need light?
Yes, all trees need light.
Do all trees need light? Very good. It's more common to use all the for specific. All the students. All the students. Did all the students pass the test?
Yes, all the students passed the test.
Did all the students pass the test? Very good. We also use all the for non-countable things like milk and sugar and water. Example, all the milk. Did you drink all the milk?
No, I didn't drink all the milk.
Did you drink all the milk? Did she drink all the milk? Very good. But remember, time and forms of time are special. Example, all the time. Or all day, all morning, all week. You can use both. You can say the whole morning, the whole day, or the whole week. Let's practice. Did you work all day?
Yes, I worked all day.
Did you work all day? Did you work the whole day?
Yes, I worked the whole day.
Did you work the whole day? Very good. Family is also special. We say all my family, or you can say all the family. Let's practice. Was all your family here for Christmas?
Yes, all my family was here for Christmas.
Was all your family here for Christmas? Very good. Was the whole family here for Christmas?
Yes, the whole family was here for Christmas.
Was the whole family here for Christmas? Very good. So remember, the difference between whole and all, whole is for one single complete thing, and all is for quantity, countable or uncountable.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to improve your English and avoid mistakes, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.